こんにちは、新井です。Let's learn how to ask when and where an event is held in 3 minutes. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. ベニューでイベントがあります is the structure you learned from the previous lesson. Today, question. イベントはどこでありますか? Let's talk about party. Party. Party があります。But you wonder where? どこ? Remember from part 1 lesson 4? So say, party はどこでありますか? But どこでありますか is better. Remember Japanese minimalism from part 1 lesson 5? Repeat. どこでありますか? どこでありますか? Good! 銀座であります。Next. タイムにイベントがあります。Question is, イベントはいつありますか? Now you want to know when is the party. いつ when. So, いつありますか? Repeat. いつありますか? いつありますか? 9月26日にあります。Repeat. 9月26日にあります。Okay, let's summarize the lesson. Tell me the sentence structure. Yes, イベントはどこでありますか? And, イベントはいつありますか? Well done! The next step is lots of practice. Practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. The next lesson, object は where people and animals are located. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.